Women will never tell you this, but they secretly love this stuff. For example, they love when you ignore her, when you don't give her time and attention. And see, that's what's confusing. Most of you, because she tells you, oh, spend more time with me, I want you to be talking to me, or when she gets mad because you don't text her immediately, you assume, man, she wants all my attention. And too many guys end up turning their entire personality, their entire livelihood into their girlfriend. That's where you lose. See, women don't want all your attention, and they won't tell you this, but they actually want to fight for it. And think about it, it makes sense. You value the things that you don't have. You value the things that you have to work for. When you can easily get anything for free, or everything just becomes easily accessible, do you value it anymore? Do you put it on a pedestal? They won't tell you this, but she doesn't want all of your time. Number 2, she wants you to dress sexier, bro. I'm gonna put you on some play. Grab a dress shirt, roll up the sleeves. Make sure the sleeves are nicely tailored so the sleeves are nice and snug around your forearm. This right here, this is the move. See, again, they're not gonna tell you this stuff, but not only is a dress shirt a symbol of status, you're exposing what is one of the sexiest body types on men. Don't ask me why. Most women just love a man's forearm. It just shows, I guess, capability. It shows how strong you are, especially if you got them nicely built, you got some veinage. Bro, you're looking good. 3, a feminine scent. Again, a girl will never tell you this. You need your boy to tell you this. See, you need to understand, when you approach a girl, there's gonna be barriers. Automatically, right? Stranger danger, she's locking and tensing up. It's normal, right? It's normal. Your goal in an interaction is to bring down those barriers, right? Make her feel relaxed, make her feel calm, make her laugh, connect with her. An easy way to do this without much effort is by wearing unisex fragrance. See, this is why I love my date fragrances always have rose notes in them. So they always have this femininity undertones into them because it allows you to connect with her. I'm triggering her olfactory bulb where she's smelling something she's used to and therefore creating underlying trust. Yo, I'm like a mad scientist when I cook up these fragrances. Do you think that when I design Santa Lucia fragrances, I'm just designing randomly whatever? No, I'm not designing what just smells good. I'm designing with intent, right? I'm thinking, all right, what situation are you gonna be in? How can I help you succeed in that situation? Yo, our dark collection for Santa Lucia, which includes our Love, our Azabache, and our Gala, are 3 fragrances which will be the sexiest fragrances you've ever owned. Not only that, they don't smell like anything you've ever owned. I promise you, you smell all 3 fragrances, I don't copy nobody, bro. This is the most unique stuff you'll have, which, again, further adds to that connection because now she won't be reminded of her ex that used to smell like Dior Sauvage or that used to smell like Bleu de Chanel. No. She'll have to create a new memory for you, for this new scent. Bro, I got you covered on all bases. Matter of fact, I'm gonna cover you even more. If you buy our 3 set, see, when you buy our 3 fragrances together, all our fragrances are hand designed in France, so the best oils in the world. They're premium fragrances. When you buy them together, you get a $150 discount. On top of that, I'm gonna hook it up. I'm gonna give you a free car diffuser and a free home diffuser. I'm gonna call it the Smell Good Bundle. I did this previously, people loved it. In other words, you're gonna smell good on all aspects of your life. Personally, in your car, and in your home. This is only gonna last 24 hours. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. This is an insane deal just for those dudes that wanna be irresistible. If you guys wanna check out that offer in the next 24 hours, that link's gonna be down below. Takes me to number 4, a room in a car that is clean. Bro, I'm trying to put you on game here. When you get a girl in your car, and your car's a mess, it smells like ass. You got your sports gear in the back. You got your sweaty gym clothes. It smells like dirty socks. I promise you, the chances of her giving you that round 2 is gonna be marginal. But imagine the opposite. Imagine a car that's squeaky clean, a room that's squeaky clean, both of which just smell amazing. Again, right? She's thinking, yo, why is this guy so mature? Why has this guy got everything set? Number 5, a dude with a good butt. Again, girls ain't gonna tell you this stuff, bro. I gotta put you onto this stuff. We're not the only ones looking at rear ends. Yeah, we love the yoga pants, bro. They do too. They like when you're wearing that denim and you're filling that up. They like when you're wearing your pants at your waist and it just, bro, ask any girl. They lust over that behind, and that's why you better not be skipping them leg days, bro. You better be doing ass to grass squats on the weekly. And so many guys just focus on that upper body, the chest and the thighs, and forget the rear end is just as important. Bare chest with a thin necklace. Again, this is similar to that style move with the button down and the rolled up sleeves. If you want a style move that's gonna make you dress sexier, easy. Bare chest, whether it's a tank top or a button down that you show off your chest, and then just wear a thin necklace. Something that's delicate and contrast that heavy masculine frame that you have, that thick chest that you have. Bro, I'm telling you, man, when you have a life outside of her, kind of similar to tip number 1, where you're not gonna give her all your time, right? She wants to fight for that time. She wants that time to be valuable. In other words, you should have hobbies, ambitions, and things to do that are outside of just your girlfriend. What are you pursuing? Don't give her 100% of your time, because I promise you, that's when she gets bored, bro.